Tonight we're gonna draw Phoenixmon from Digimon Adventure Tri. If you must know, Phoenixmon basically is a Mega level Digimon, Biomon's Mega Evolved form, and, well, one of the Digi-Destined. She has a body of a phoenix, and, well, she has a signature move known as Star Bright Explosion. Quite a big deal. Quite interesting. To get started, we start with the beak, and now we draw the feathers. Now we draw the feathers. Phoenixmon has bright yellow, gold, and orange feathers. Oh yeah, there's the jaws. And, well, drawing Phoenixmon is quite easy. Now we draw this part here. Draw the rest of the feathers. Now we draw the neck. Alexa, what is a phoenix?
The noun, phoenix, can have a few meanings. 1. A mythical bird of red green enabled 600 years in the Arabian wilderness to burn itself on a funeral pyre, and to rise from its ashes in the freshness of youth and live through another cycle of years, often an emblem of immortality or of reborn idealism or hope. 2. A southern constellation between Hybris and Sculptor. 3. A person or thing of peerless beauty or excellence, paragon. 4. A person or thing that has become renewed or restored after suffering calamity or apparent annihilation.
Phoenixmon has 2 sets of wings. And basically, next we draw the chest. Here are Phoenixmon's wings. Now we draw his talons. Now we draw the rest of his feathers here. He's got 2 sets of feathers. This part of Phoenixmon's tail, it's like what Meicoomon has. Now we draw the sparkles that surround Phoenixmon herself. Yeah. And finished! That's how you draw a phoenixmon. Oh yeah, I have to draw these. Complete. That's how you draw a phoenixmon. That's all for now. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel, and check out what character I'm going to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night.